Okay, on to our next. Hi, pretty girl. Please face the judges. How are you? What is your name? Okay, on. Pa-on po ang mic. Here. What is your name?
Samantha Nicole E. Arevalo. I am live in Quezon City.
Good job! Yan. Okay. So what? Ayun na, meron na. What? What is your talent pala, baby girl? Yan, sige. Singing. Okay. Anong dream mo? Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo? Samantha, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Ballerina teacher.
Ballerina,
Teacher.
tsaka teacher. So two. Balik ha?
Ballerina teacher.
Ano daw? Teacher ng ballerina. Oo, dance instructor, tapos specific, ballet. The ballerina teacher. Kulit po no? Kasi uso yung dalawa no? Alright. So, are you ready to perform?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan. But you're singing today, tama ba?
Opo.
Oh, but you do ballet as well. Nababallet ka, diba?
Hindi po.
Hindi ka pa nagbaballet. Pero you love lang ballet. Alright. So we're ready. Contestant number 5. Palakpakan po natin!